everyone. My name is Ram. This is my first YouTube video. In this video, we are going to see how we can implement in-app review feature for your Android app. In-app review is the pop-up which we can show to the user so that he can or she can give star ratings to our app. So implementing this is not difficult. Google has provided very good documentation for it, but we have certain conditions before implementing it. So the first condition is we can't display the review pop-up on button click. If user clicks every time, it shouldn't be displayed. So that's the main condition. And the second one is it can't be displayed frequently. It shouldn't be the API shouldn't be called frequently. And the third one is it should be displayed after certain period of usage. As soon as user installs or within 1 or 2 days, you shouldn't call this API. And if you call it once, you shouldn't be calling it again in the sooner time. So like we can see, this is how it looks. And I have already implemented it in my app and just few days before I got this pop-up. So I'm sure this is working. So I'll show you how we can implement the logic. Let's go to the code section. So to implement this, we need to use this Android Play Core dependency. We need to paste it in app level build.gradle file like this. And in the main activity, we need to import these three classes: review info, review manager, and review manager factory. And in the onCreate method, I am using simple if-else conditions and using shared preferences to save these two dates: install date and last showed date. So in the first condition, we are checking if install date is present. If it is not present, that means the user is opening the app for the first time, and we are writing these two dates: install date as today's date and last showed date as null. And if the install date is already present, that means user is using the app, and we are just checking if it's been more than 14 days. And if it is more than 14 days, we are checking for last showed date. If the last showed date is null, that means he is using the app, but the review pop-up was not shown yet. So we are finally calling the review API. Here, launch review flow. This is properly defined in the Google documents. And we are writing the last show date as the today's date. That means review pop-up was shown. If it's more than 14 days but never shown, we are using this one. But if it's been more than 14 days but it was already showed once or sometime, that means it will go to else condition. And here we are checking if it's been more than 14 days from last showed date. If it is more than 14 days, then we are showing the review flow, review pop-up again, because it's been already 14 days from the last show date. So that's how this works. This is working fine for me, and I could see this pop up for one of my apps in last few days. So if the user has already submitted the review, but after 14 days, if it calls the API again, it won't display. That's okay if we call. And if user has cancelled this pop-up when it was displayed, and If we are calling it again after 14 days, it will display. So there is no harm in calling it again and again. It will decide whether to show or not. So I'll provide these codes in one of my blogs. I'll provide the link in my description. I hope this helped you. If it helped, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.